Hey, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers, and I made this short video for the team over at Cool Tech HVAC. And in this short video, I'll be explaining 3 things you could do today, bringing you more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video, you like what you see, you like what you hear, shoot me a message, we can chat. If not, it's okay. I'll get right into it and try to keep it short and simple for you guys. 3 things I'm going to talk about are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. As you can see, I'm on your homepage right here. So content is basically anything that's on this website, words, videos, pictures, all that stuff. And as a general recommendation to all my customers, I like to have at least 1,500 or more words on this first homepage right here. And it looks like to me you guys are probably right around there, and the website is looking clean, which is good. And I like the whole heating and cooling combination going on right here. It looks really nice. As well as the sub pages, you want to have at least 500 to 700 words on those too. Now all this does, it helps it rank above your competition and be picked up by Google. After that, I want to go over and talk about citations, the second thing. I just did a quick search in Google right here for businesses in New York City. And this is just to show you what customers see when they search something. So the first thing they'll see is this top 3 boxes right here. This is called the Google Guaranteed. This is a paid service through Google in which you have to verify your business, go through a process, and once that's done, you're able to advertise on this top section right here. So far, it's been giving really good leads to businesses. After that, we move down to this second section, which is the traditional Google Ads section. And in 2020, this is a hit or miss depending who does it and who you get it done from, basically. It could be a money pit if done incorrectly. It could yield some good results if done properly. But this is to watch out for and be cautious with this section. After that, we move down to the Google Map Pack. And this is where I'll explain what a citation is. So a citation is anywhere on the web which allows you to put in your business information, such as your business name, phone number, and address. And most of these citations happen in the national directories. A directory online is going to be like a Yelp, LinkedIn, Facebook, White Pages, those types of websites. So this map pack section is, in my opinion, a really good place for any business to be. And we help businesses move up to this top 3 spots on the map pack. After that, we go down to this section, which is called the organic section. Over here, you'll see the websites which have organically ranked up and outperformed, or rather beat their competitors and made it to the first page of the Google search. This is a perfect place for any business to be. It gives you a lot of traffic, a lot of organic traffic. Third and last thing I'm going to talk about today is going to be backlinks. A backlink is any website out there which is providing a link to your website, potentially giving that traffic to you and giving you keywords. I use this tool right here called Ahrefs. It's a really good tool. It's a paid service. They buy their information directly from Google, and they show it in a way in which I can understand the performance of any website. As you can see, I've typed in your website right here, and it shows me that you have 30 referring domains to you, giving you 148 backlinks, giving you 144 keywords, which is giving you about 97 people coming to your website every single month, which is called organic traffic. To compare this, I pulled up another top competitor in the New York City area and show you what their numbers look like. Here we go. As you can see, it's a pretty significant difference in the numbers. I'll run them through you. You got 716 referring domains they have, which are giving them 300 or rather 3,100 backlinks, giving them 27,000 keywords, and which in return get them about 26,000 people visiting their website every single month. Now this is where you want to head in this direction. This again is you guys. And to boost all these numbers, to bring them into the thousands, especially the visiting, is exactly what we specialize in, as well as all the other things I mentioned today, the content, citations, and backlinks, and sub pages, homepage, pictures, videos, all that stuff we do. So I told you I'll keep the video short. That's pretty much all I had for today. I really hope you found this video to be educational. And if you'd like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, that's fine by me. I hope you enjoy these free tips I've given you today. If you could please just give me some feedback on how I did and what you thought about the video, that'll be great. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.